Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login 8. In this guide video, I will show you how to add coins to watchlist on CoinMarketCap app. So first of all, what you have to do is launch upon CoinMarketCap application. If you do not have this application, you can download it from Play Store and App Store. You can see over here CoinMarketCap application has been opened. Initially, you'll be led to this kind of interface. Now over here, you'll be able to find various options like coins, watch lists, tick scan, overview, etc. What you have to do is simply tap on the option watch lists. Now you'll be able to see the watch list over here. Right now my watch list is empty. So if you want to add the coins, what you have to do is simply tap on this option, add coins. Now you can see over here, you'll be led to this kind of interface. You'll be able to find several coins over here. You can also search for the coins if you want. Tap on the search bar. Now simply type in the coin. Now you'll be able to see the results over here. Tap on the coin that you want to add to the watch list. Now after doing that, what you have to do is tap on this option, selected one coin, or if you've selected many coins, you'll be able to see the number of coins that you've selected over here. Simply tap on this option. Now you can see over here that coin will be added to the watch list. So like this, you'll be able to add the coins to watch list. So that is how you add coins to watch list on CoinMarketCap app. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.